to take a closer look soon, and you gotta say hello to my cat. Yeah, so let's take a look at Faulks C-50 crocodile. Okay, so we are trying to call in the crows like this. Hello, crow, are you there? I called the crow, as you see. I'm just kidding. I'm using the Faulks C-50 crocodile. It is very effective. We had a crowd on at least 100 crows for some minutes ago. Look at that. Okay, let's see if we can. Oh, look at that one. After calling a while, the crows were flying over us because when a crow screams like that, it means that something is going on. It works great as a turkey locator and for calling in crows and magpies. And as you see, it is also water resistant and easy blowing. Made in USA. So this is the package it comes in. If you did enjoy the video or found it helpful, please click the like button or comment. And remember to check out the links in the description box.